Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Tranquil Mutation and grow a garden. Okay guys, let's get into it. As we know that Grow a Garden has just dropped a Zen update, and in this update, we'll be able to get Tranquil Mutation. And to get the Tranquil Mutation, the step is very simple. You just need to join the Zen event, and the event happens every hour. And make sure that you join the game, because if you're offline, you won't be able to get the Tranquil Mutation. And here, basically, you just need to wait until your fruit get the Tranquil Mutation. Okay, and I think I have already got the mutation. As you can see that a fruit in my garden mutated to the Tranquil, and then I'm going to check it. Then I'm going to show you how the Tranquil mutation looks like. Okay, and this is how the Tranquil mutation looks like. There will be like a Chinese letter on your fruit. It indicates that your fruit already got the Tranquil mutation, and then you can collect the fruit with Tranquil mutation, and then you can trade it for Chi. Okay, you can go to this area or this location and you can trade Chi, or you can submit to Zen to grow a tree. Okay, and I'm going to get the Chi coins, so I'm going to trade my Tranquil fruit. I'm going to search for my Tranquil fruit. Okay, this one, and I'm going to click on take this plant. Okay, and I have already gained 1 Chi. Wait, we can also select this menu, check all my Tranquil plants. Okay, and I gained 9 Chi from 2 fruits. Okay, and this is my Chi coins. And you'll be able to use this Chi coins to buy something from the Zen shop. For example, you can buy the Zen seed pack. I'm going to buy it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Tranquil Mutation and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.